So today I'm going to film an unboxing of a MCM Stark size small studded backpack that I got off of Poshmark. Anytime that I buy anything with genuine leather, I always buy it used because I try to do my best in not supporting the company that uses animals as material. So some people get that, some people think it's extremely hypocritical. Either way, I get it, but that's just what I do. So this is how the package came. I'm doing this more for myself just in case I got completely ripped off, because it could possibly not be genuine MCM. It could possibly be a pillow in here because I traded. So when you trade, there's very little security in the transaction on Poshmark. However, the seller that sold it to me does have a very good trade history. But this was my first trade, so I had to send a bag out, which was a different MCM Boston handbag. I had to send it out first because I had no trade history. So I basically just had to trust that she was going to send my bag after she received mine. So I'm a little nervous. I know people get ripped off. And then from what I hear, Poshmark won't do anything for you if you do get ripped off, because they don't support trading. They only support actually buying and selling. If this really is the bag, then I really, so far, only have good things to say about the seller. I'll put the name up on the screen because she went above and beyond sending me pictures and videos and answering every question I had. I mean, it was like a couple days worth that she and I were discussing this transaction, and she did everything I asked. She even went to a jeweler to replace one of the studs that fell off on the MCM plate. There's a gift in here. So this is how she packaged it. Cool, fine. There's a gift. She sent it out. Oh, and the one nice thing about her, I mean, I should probably stop praising her just in case this is like some bogus item in here, but whatever. Oh, is this my size? Oh, what? I don't know what that's made out of. I don't really care. I wear fake stuff all the time anyway. I didn't ask for that. She just sent it in because she said she was like extremely grateful for the trade. It looks like an engagement ring. Switch them up. That's really pretty. It's almost like light greenish. Like very pale green. Which green's my favorite color, so I'm into it. I was trying to decide. She has a ton of MCM backpacks, and I was trying to decide between this studded one and a metallic gold MCM, same bag but metallic gold with the logo all over it. And I felt like I was really gonna regret it if there's a hair on here, I don't care. So at least there's a bag that matches the description. Is it real? I do have a real one that I got from, like it's from the store, and it does look, I don't know. I'm going to bring it to the store and make sure that it's authentic. She was supposed to replace the other leather strap on here. See how on here it ripped off? She was going to replace it. I assume she forgot. That's not thrilling, but on the inside it is not in, I mean, it looks like there's like a little bit of like lint, and there's pen marks, which she did mention, but I don't care. Oh. This is MCM like paperwork, but this is all in Japanese. Oh no, it's not. I lied. It has English. Okay. I think it's real. I mean, this might be real. That doesn't mean the bag's real, right? But, I don't know. I have to see how I feel about it. I keep thinking about the metallic gold one. And she did say, she texted me because we exchanged numbers to do this trade. And she was like, so I received your bag. It's beautiful. She's like, but I miss that studded backpack. She's like, I don't like it as much as the backpack that I'm sending you. This one. So she said if I don't love it, to send it back to her, and then she can send me the metallic gold one in replace, to replace it. Which, I don't know. I have to figure out, like, should I keep this? Or should I go get the metallic gold one? I mean, I dress kind of plain most of the time, just because I like to be comfortable. But anything as far as accessories, like I like to wear, you guys see, usually I have a ton of jewelry on. Like I like gaudy as far as accessories. But the other one, like I said, is metallic gold, so that one's got the whole gaudy factor in it as well. This is what the inside looks like. It's a peanut butter color looking suede. And that's what the thing looks like. Tag. And then there's usually that little tag in MCM, the little white tag. It says made in Korea, which if I didn't know better, I'd be like, no, this is not real. But they are made in Korea nowadays. I'm exhausted. I just got out of work. It was a great shift, very busy, and I'm not complaining. Oh, she even put the dust bag in here. The dust bag I have does not look like this, but this is, I think this is an old bag, so things probably have changed since then. Okay, well, that's that. I don't think I got scammed, but if I do, then I'm going to update you in the description box. I forgot to show you what this bag looks like on. So this is what the straps look like. And like I said, this is the small, which is still pretty big, but they also have a mini, or MCM in general does. Yeah. So, I mean, I have to adjust. Yeah. I'm like 5'5". So I'm not like tiny or anything. So I figured this was a decent size for me. Don't forget to watch the last video that I put up. It's a giveaway video on a dupe for a Louis Vuitton Neverfull tote. It's a dupe, but yeah, I'm gonna be giving away that bag in like a week and a half. So check out that video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.